If you're new to Airbnb hosting and want to receive bookings only for a specific month or a duration, in this video, I will show you how you can open your calendar for those specific dates which you want. To do this, log into Airbnb from your computer. Do not try and do this from their phone app because it is not suited for these kind of hosting related advanced setups. Once you are logged into Airbnb from your computer, just click to switch to hosting. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And next, we will go to your listing by clicking on menu and then choose listing. And on the next screen, it will display the listing you have. Now, when you want to open your calendar for specific dates and you want to block it for the rest of the month, for example, if you're listing your property and you want to list it only for 1 month in a year, you basically want to block everything else apart from that 1 month. And let me show you how you can do that. Once you are on your listing page, click on Pricing and Availability tab, which is on the left-hand side. And under the Pricing and Availability, you need to go into Calendar Availability. Under this section, the third option you will see is the Availability window. Click on Edit. Under here, you will see various options. The first one is All Future Dates, if you want to open your calendar for every possible date in the future. And there are 4 other options where you want to choose it for specific months. And the last option is Dates Unavailable by Default. When you choose this option, it is going to block your calendar for all the future dates. And once you have chosen this option, you can then go into your calendar and open just the dates which you want to rent your property for. Everything else will be automatically blocked, and you can simply go in and open the dates which you want to rent your property for. This is the way you can open your calendar only for specific days without having to worry about the future dates or receiving bookings when you do not really want to host someone in your property. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.